Um, my tissue. Cause Thomas, my phone. My laser. It's dead. It's dead.
Who's that?
Yeah.
That's Charlie.
Charlie.
Mm-hmm.
It's dead. It's dead.
Who's that?
Thomas.
Thomas?
It's dead.
Who's that?
Henry.
Henry.
It's dead.
Who's that?
Yeah. Later.
Mater.
Later.
Mm-hmm. Jacob, where are we?
I'm gonna see doctor.
You saw the doctor. Was she nice? She was so nice, wasn't she?
Thomas nice.
Jacob, what did the doctor give you?
Present.
She gave you a present?
Yeah.
What was the present?
Boston.
Did she give you the sticker?
Yeah.
Give you choo-choo train? What did Jacob say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Jacob, what did you say to the doctor when she came in? What did you say to the doctor?
Where'd doctor go?
Where'd doctor go?
It's inside.
She's inside?
Yeah.
Inside where?
It's in toy.
She's playing with toys?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's eat. He's eat down.
She's eating?
Yeah.
Maybe. Or maybe she's meeting more kids. She's seeing more patients. Did she do a good job?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a really nice doctor. Say thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.